Hello, gentle people. Again, we're at another location. Yeah, same day that I did the other one, the previous video. Another location on the journey, on the hunt of discovering another waterfall. Look there, just look there. Yeah, I know, it's beautiful. Let's go find this other waterfall. All right, so I love these bridges, you know. So yeah, this is the entrance to the other waterfall that I'm going. Wow, many fishermen are out here. It's the time for their season, fisherman's season. And look at this. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, amazing. I know I say that every single time, but it's the truth. Look at God's creation. Look at nature. Look at nature. Wow. So I've been on this bridge for a couple minutes. I have not moved because the view. I have not moved because of the view. There's a fisherman there. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? The view. The view. I'm supposed to go search for the waterfall, but I'm just here. I'm just blown away. I am so blown away. I pass this every single, like, every weekend. I pass here. I always see the bridge, but I've never thought of stopping. And man, amazing. Let's go find the waterfall, okay? Guys, thank you so much for coming along this journey with me. Thank you so much. I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm making you happy, and I'm making myself happy throughout this process. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I hope you are loving I hope you are loving the new discoveries like I am, because I'm definitely enjoying it. Let's go find the waterfall. So let's go and find the waterfall while we're enjoying the beautiful view, watching the fishermen fishing. I know, trust me folks, I know. I too, I'm just in awe. I too am in awe. Yeah, same. Alright, let's go find the waterfall. I see a trek around that side. I'm not sure, so let's go finish this suspension bridge. Yeah, we're on the suspension bridge. Let's go find the waterfall. Let's go find it. I heard it's not a huge one, but it's still something, so let's go and find it. It's coming down the stairs. So why do I see two entrances? Like, where should I go? This is not really an entrance, or I'm not sure. Alright, guess we can go this side first and see where this leads us, and then look at the water. water is much cleaner this side. And it's cold, of course. Maybe this is not the right way, I'm not sure, but I'll see how far this takes us. I hear that the waterfall isn't a big one, but I saw 2 trails. So let's see. Let's see. Bugs. So yeah, as I was telling you about Japan, you know they have a lot of shrines. If you don't know, they have a lot of shrines and castles. They do a lot of praying. They come to the mountains. If you realize that the shrines are tucked away in the mountains, and they come just to have quiet time. And so here is no different. This is a statue here on the ground. You can see there are coins. They come, they pray, and they, I don't want to use the word throw, they leave these coins there when they do their rituals, their prayers. So yeah, another part. So while we're discovering waterfalls, we're also seeing close-up views and of Japanese culture and their history. And so yeah, my pleasure showing you as we head back out. All right, so this also is another sacred place for them. Yeah. So this waterfall is called, based on the name that I saw on Google, Dream Waterfalls. I will look for information to put to let you know why they call it Dream Waterfall. So I'm here and I'm not sure where else to go. This is beautiful. So I used Google Translate, and Google Translate is telling me that I should go that way for the waterfall, but I'm also seeing this little trek that goes over that little bridge there and then goes over there. I'm not sure, so let's go that way and then come back this side. Let's see what's over here. Oh, let's cross this small iron bridge. Why does it seem a bit slippery? I don't want it to be slippery. Alright, so let me get over to that other side and then I will continue filming again just to get up this part safely. What's this sign saying? All right, let me check what this sign is saying. sound of water on rocks. So soothing, so calming. Man. Okay, so we finished with that section, which is to the left. So now let's go to the right. So let's see what's around this side. I'm not sure, but we are going to find out together. We're going to find out together. Alright, so let me walk and then I'll show you when I get there. Wow. Ooh, bugs. Bugs. Alright. Let's see. There's a lookout spot up here. I think they said something about a pomade up here now. Anyways, let's go look. Alright. Okay. A lookout spot is up here. Alright. Okay. Wow. So a little hut, or it's a rest stop. So I'm at a little gazebo. So you saw me last climbing up. Yeah, I'm at a gazebo. It's so, do you remember? Oh my, you can't see. Skin. Okay. So I'm at a gazebo. So there's a gazebo up here on the trek up the climb. A gazebo, like, really. Let me just show you. So like, that's the main road there. The train station is right there, and that's the bridge. Yeah, you remember that when I was climbing up? Yeah, that's the bridge right there. So yeah, I'm way up here. My car is parked down there. Man, to know that I drive past this every weekend, had no idea. I had no idea that this was here. But yeah, the men in the water, they're fishing, and it's just a beautiful day. Trust me, it's a beautiful day. It's hot, but when you come amongst the trees in the mountains, you are quite okay. So we are coming from down there, and of course there's still more. Like, we can go some more up there. Why? And then there's also a trail that goes down. Do not ask me, I don't know. I'm resting, so I'll see if I can go and see what's down there and how far up, because I can't go too far. But yeah, yep, another discovery, another hidden gem in Japan. Absolutely amazing. I live for these moments. So the man down there fishing, several of them are here. Today is an absolutely beautiful and amazing day. Whew. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm happy to take you on this journey with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, good people, so we have come to the end of another video, another discover hidden gems with me in Japan, in the countryside in Japan. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much. I aim to bring you more of these. This is something that really and truly inspires me, and I decided to start it, not to wait on any company, just to do it all by myself. And so I did, and it's given me life. Apart from it being in nature and just enjoying just the coolness, especially on these hot days, it's just something about knowing that you're doing something that you like. I'm in a different country, I'm documenting it, I'm making a diary of it, but I'm also showcasing it to you. It's something that inspires me, and I am so happy to be doing this for me and for you. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you so much for coming on these adventures with me. I have many more. Please stick and stay. Please subscribe, please like, please watch, please share to someone who you know would really love this. The location, it's always in my location tag. You will always see. I don't gatekeep on those things. So yeah, if you come to Japan, or if you're in the countryside in this side of Japan, you can visit these. Or also, if someone you know will truly enjoy these videos, the calmness, just hearing the water behind them, it's just something that calms people. If someone you know is going through a rough time and they just need this kind of content, you can please show it to them, recommend it to them, allow them to watch and share and subscribe too, because I have so much more in store for you. Thank you all so much. If it's the first time you're here and you're watching this, thank you so much. I'm a Jamaican in Japan. I'm an ALT, and I'm just documenting my journey throughout Japan. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. I say it so many times, but I'm truly appreciative, and I cannot say it enough. So see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, so when we're coming down the bridge, we went that way, and then there was this way to go. Still didn't figure out where that led to or leads to, but yeah, so this is us now coming down to the actual river. Oh, they're fishing. They're doing some fishing here. And that's the suspension bridge. Yeah. Yep.